Welcome back, guys, to another video on Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. So today we're going to do something easy. I get asked a lot, what's the simplest things that we can cook? Because there's people that are they just bought it. They want to do something easy to start. And one of the simplest things out there is this pork loin. Simple, it's quick, and it's also very good. Now we don't do very much to it. Now we are going to cut the silver skin they got here. I'm going to trim it a little bit and take all this off. So yeah, go ahead and take off this fat that they have on top. All right, now that we took some of that skin off, some of that silver skin, let's go ahead and add some more mustard as a binder. And no, don't worry, it's not going to give it a mustard taste. So this is a nice binder that we can use. Now we're going to be using one of our favorite rubs, the barbecue rub from Killer's Hog. There'll be a link in the description if you guys want to try them out, or their knife set that they got. So we're going to go nice and heavy. Nice heavy coat all the way around. And on the other side, the same. So we're going to get everything. So just go ahead and pat it down. Got it all nice covered with rub. All right, now how are we going to cook this bad boy? We're going to put in our pit boss at 275 degrees. I'm going to keep an eye out to see how long it takes, but it shouldn't take too long. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. All right, so now that we have our grill on, one thing I forgot to mention, we're gonna go by, internal temp will be 150 internal temp for this pork loin. All right, our pit boss is up to temp 275. There, let's add our thermometer. And we'll be back when it hits 150. All right, our pork loin hit 150. It's ready to come out. Looking good. Here we go. We'll be back. We'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So here we have it. We are done. Now, before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, so one of the many things is we get a lot of questions. Like I said, this channel is for beginners and then even for people that have been doing this for a while. And so one of the main things that I like to say is to when I show people stuff how to do things, the most important thing is going by your internal temp. Time, how long it takes may vary depending on your grill, depending on the weather. Will affect the time. But if you guys know the internal time that you guys are going for, you will never mess it up. Now here we went with the 150 internal temp for the pork. That's normally where the pork likes to be. Now me personally, I like it a little bit more, 155, even 160, is depending what it is. So always go by your internal temp and not the time that I'm giving you guys is just kind of get an idea how long it's gonna be. But having a good thermometer, you will never, it's always going to come out good. Now we are ready. This looks delicious. I'm telling you guys, this rub is one of the favorites. The top two favorites is this rub and Meat Church. Those are the two that you can't go wrong with those. So let's go ahead and have a cut and see how it looks. see the juices coming out, and it's really good. So here we have our nice piece. Ooh, it's looking good, guys. So here we have it. Let's see how it goes. Man, that's really good. So much flavor, real juicy, can't go wrong. Now the outside is my favorite. The pieces from this side and this side, it just has a little more of a crust. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. Make sure you guys add your comments in there. What did you guys think? What did you guys do? What kind of rubs you guys like to use for your pork? Or what temperature you guys like to cook your pork loins? I'm probably gonna add some barbecue sauce. Probably gonna go inside and add some barbecue sauce on this because I like barbecue sauce. So hope you guys like this, and I'll see you guys next time.